Good evening everybody, welcome to another video. I'm going to solve question 5 for exercise 3C. This is for class 7 Selena Conscience mathematics book. Question is simplify and reduce reduce it to simple fraction. First one 3 by 4. Now converting 3 by 4 to improper fraction, we get 15 by 4. Therefore 3 by 15 by 4 is equal to 3 into 4 by 15. Alright, I'm just getting the denominator to the numerator. So it becomes 4 by 5. Therefore 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 5. I'm just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand it. Moving on to the next one. 3 by 5 by 7, that is equal to 3 by 5 into 1 by 7, that is equal to 3 by 35. Very simple. 3 by 5 by 7 is equal to 3 by 35. Next one. 3 by 5 by 7, that is equal to 3 into 7 by 5, that is equal to 3 7s is 21 by 5. When you convert this into a mixed fraction, you get 4 1 by 5. Therefore 3 by 5 by 7 is equal to 4 1 by 5. Just pausing in for a few seconds, and this is also easy. Moving to the next one. 2 1 by 5 by 1 1 by 10. Converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction, you get 11 by 5 by 11 by 10. That is equal to 11 by 5 into 10 by 11. So 11 and 11 gets cancelled, and 5 1s and 5 2s is 10. Therefore the answer is 2. Therefore 2 1 by 5 by 1 by 10 is equal to 2. I am just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand. Moving to the next question. 2 by 5 of 6 by 11 into 1 1 by 4. People, of is nothing but multiplication. Converting 1 1 by 4 to improper fraction, you get 5 by 4. Therefore it is 2 by 5 of 6 by 11 into 5 by 4. That is equal to 2 by 5 into 6 by 11 into 5 by 4. That's what I've written in the notes as well. Of is multiplication. So you get 12 by 55 into 5 by 4. That is equal to 3 by 11. Therefore 2 by 5 of 6 by 11 into 1 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 11. Just pausing in for a few seconds. Moving to the next sum. 2 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 7 into 1 by 3. Converting 2 1 by 4 into improper fraction, you get it as 9 by 4. Therefore 9 by 4 divided by 1 by 7 into 1 by 3. According to BODMAS, we have to first do the division. So it becomes 9 by 4 into 7 by 1 into 1 by 3. On simplification, you get 21 by 4. When you convert this into mixed fraction, you get it as 5 1 by 4. Therefore 2 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 7 into 1 by 3 is equal to 5 1 by 4. Hope this is clear. Next one. 1 by 3 into 4 2 by 3 divided by 3 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 4 2 by 3 is nothing but 14 by 3, right? 3 1 by 2 is nothing but 7 by 2. So now the equation becomes 1 by 3 into 14 by 3. Because of BODMAS, you just change the sign to multiplication by getting the numerator to denominator and denominator to the numerator. Therefore the equation is 1 by 3 into 14 by 3 into 2 by 7 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 9. I'm just pausing in for you to see the calculation. Therefore 1 by 3 into 4 2 by 3 divided by 3 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 9. Hope this is clear. It's all clear if you understand the concepts. There are quite a lot of sums in this exercise, but all are very easy. Next one. 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8. As soon as you see of, it is nothing but multiplication. So 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4 and 2 5 by 8 is equal to 21 by 8. We are converting it into the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Therefore, 2 by 3 into 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 of 21 by 8. That is equal to, so according to BODMAS, you have to first do of. Therefore, 2 by 3 into 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 into 21 by 8. That is on simplification, you get it as 9 by 8. Therefore, the equation becomes 2 by 3 into 5 by 4 divided by 9 by 8. Now, converting using BODMAS, next is division. It becomes 2 by 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 by 9. On simplification, you get 20 by 27. Therefore, 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8 is equal to 20 by 27. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next sum. Next sum is pretty easy. 2 divided by 8 by 11 is equal to 2 into 11 by 8. That is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 divided by 8 by 11 is equal to 0. Next one. 4 by 5 divided by 7 by 15 of 8 by 9. Using BODMAS, we'll first do of. 4 by 5 divided by 7 by 15 into 8 by 9. That becomes 4 by 5 divided by 56 by 135. That is equal to 4 by 5 into 135 by 56. On simplification, you get it as 27 by 14. That is equal to 113 by 14. Therefore, 4 by 5 divided by 7 by 15 of 8 by 9 is equal to 113 by 14. Hope this is easy. Just pausing. Next one. 4 by 5 divided by 7 by 15 into 8 by 9. Using BODMAS, first we have to do division. It becomes 4 by 5 into 15 by 7 into 8 by 9. When you simplify, you get it as 32 by 21. That is equal to 111 by 21. Therefore, 4 by 5 divided by 7 by 15 into 8 by 9 is equal to 111 by 21. Hope this is clear. The next one, 4 by 5 of 7 by 15 divided by 8 by 9. Using BODMAS, you get 4 by 5 into 7 by 15 divided by 8 by 9. That is equal to 28 by 75 divided by 8 by 9. 28 by 75 into 9 by 8. That is equal to 21 by 50. Therefore, 4 by 5 of 7 by 15 divided by 8 by 9 is equal to 21 by 50. And the last sum in this question, 1 by 2 of 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Using BODMAS, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. On simplification, you get 9 by 32. I'm just pausing in for a few seconds. Therefore, 1 by 2 of 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 9 by 32. Just pausing here. Let's do the sixth sum also and then we can end this video. A bought 3 by 4 kg of wheat and 1 by 2 kg of rice. Find the total weight of wheat and rice bought. Weight of wheat is equal to 3 by 4 kg. That is equal to, when you convert it into improper fraction, you get it as 15 by 4 kg. Weight of rice is equal to 1 by 2 kg. That is equal to 5 by 2 kg when you convert it into improper fraction. Therefore, total weight is nothing but you will have to add both of them. Total weight of wheat and rice is equal to 15 by 4 plus 15 by 2 kg. Okay. LCM of 4 and 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, you get 15 by 4 plus 10 by 4. That is equal to 15 plus 10 by 4. That's equal to 25 by 4 kg. That is equal to 61 by 4 kg. Therefore, total weight of wheat and rice bought is 61 by 4 kg. I am just going to end this video for this particular sum. We have quite a lot of sums in this particular exercise. I will go ahead and do those sums in my next video. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Take care, stay home, stay safe.